everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a TalkTalk account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.talktalk.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of TalkTalk. Click on the My Account button at the top right hand corner and you'll end up in the login area. Click the register button in the pop-up and click on the register button again. In order to start up with the sign up process, enter an email address in the text box and click on the register account button. Now, on the next page, enter the account number that you can find at the top right corner of your TalkTalk bill in the text box. On the next field, type in your first name, type in your surname on the next, and then enter your date of birth information. Enter your postcode on the next, and click on Verify Account. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to finish off your sign up for TalkTalk. That is how you'll be able to create a new account or sign up for TalkTalk. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.